Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Math with Sir Kiko. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss on how to add decimal numbers with decimal parts up to 3 decimal places, this time with regrouping. This should be quarter 2, week number 5 of grade 5 mathematics, day number 5. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's go. So today, we will discuss the quarter 2 week number 5, day number 5. Add decimal numbers with decimal parts up to 3 decimal places with regrouping. Again, with regrouping. So with regrouping, so at the end of the lesson, you should be able to add decimal numbers with decimal parts up to 3 decimal places with regrouping. Now, steps in adding decimal number. Again, write the decimal number with in column. Number 2, add the decimal numbers like a whole number, and then align the decimal point of the answer to the decimal numbers above. Okay, let's have the example to further analyze how to add decimal numbers with regrouping. So we have 25 and 323 thousands plus 34 and 483 86,000. So again, align the decimal point in column. So you need to place the decimal point aligned vertically. Then proceed to addition as a whole number. 2 plus 3, the answer is 5. 8 plus 2, the answer is 10. So we have 0 carry 1. That would be the regroup. Regroup 1. So we have 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, the answer is 8. Then 4 plus 5, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. Then place your decimal point to make your answer correct. Okay? So the answer is 59 and 805 thousandths. For number 2, we have 649 thousandths plus 24 thousandths. So align your decimal in column. Okay? Then align the decimal point vertically. Then proceed to addition as a whole number. 4 plus 9, 13. 3 carry 1. 2 plus 4 plus 1, the answer is 7. Then we have 0 plus 6, 6, and then 0. Then place your decimal point. Okay, the answer is 67, 673 thousandths. Okay? For number 3, we have 12 and 7,531, 10,000 plus 24 and 324 thousandths. So align your decimal vertically. And then your decimal point align vertically, and then add 0 if possible to make the two decimal numbers same highest place value. Then proceed to addition. 0 plus 1, 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 3 plus 7, the answer is 10. 0 carry 1. Then 1 plus 2 plus 4, the answer is 7. And then 1 plus 2, 3. So the answer is 37, then a decimal point, and 771 ten thousandths. Okay? So number 4, we have 68 and 45 hundredths plus 4 and 657 thousandths. So align your decimal point vertically. Then add 0 if possible. Then proceed to addition. 7 plus 0, 7. 5 plus 5, 10 carry 1. Then 6 plus 4 plus 1. Answer is 11 carry 1. Then we have 8 plus 1 plus 4. The answer is correct. 13 carry 1. And then 6 plus 1, 7. Then place your decimal point. Okay? So therefore the answer is 73 and 107 thousandths. Okay? So for example, number 5, we have 3 decimal numbers. We have 7 and 824 thousandths plus 1,253 ten thousandths, and then 1 and 5,293 ten thousandths. So align it in column. Okay, so align the decimal point vertically. Okay, add 0 if possible to make that 3 decimal numbers highest place value. 3 plus 3 plus 0, 6. 9 plus 5 plus 3, 17, carry 1. Then we have 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. And then we have 5 plus 1, 6 plus 8. The answer is 14, carry 1. And then 1 plus 0 plus 7 plus 1. The answer is 9. And then don't forget to place your decimal point. So the answer is, it should be 9. 9 and 400. 9 and 479. 9 and 4,776 10,000. Okay? Okay, next. So, try to practice your skills. Add the following decimal numbers. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Comment down your answer in the comment section below. Number 1, we have 4 and 876,000 plus 5 and 789,000. For number 2, we have 7 and 349,000 plus 2 and 876,000. And number 3, we have 8 and 765,000 plus 4 and 987,000. Okay? That's it. So, let's reveal the answer. For number 1, we have 10 and 665,000. For number 2, we have 10 and 225,000. And then, for number 3, we have 13 and 752,000. Okay? I hope you got the correct answer. So, take note. In adding decimal numbers, all you need to do is to write the decimal numbers in column. Then, step number 2, add the decimal numbers like a whole number. And don't forget to align the decimal point of the answer to the decimal numbers above. Okay? So, in real life situation, so Lisa bought 2 and 569 kilograms of mango. And we have 3 and 264,000 kilogram of bananas. How many kilogram of fruits did she buy in all? Again, the clue word is in all. So the operation is addition. So align the two decimal numbers in column. Then align the decimal point. Then proceed to addition. 4 plus 9, 13. Regroup 1. Then we have 3 plus 6 plus 1, 10. Regroup 1. And then we have 2 plus 5 plus 1. The answer is 8. Then 3 plus 2, the answer is 5. Then don't forget to place your decimal point. So therefore, the answer is Lisa bought 5 and 803,000 kilogram of fruits. Okay? So try to practice your skills. Add the following decimal numbers. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay? So comment down your answer in the comment section below. That's it for today. Thank you and God bless everyone.